welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make mutton masala. For that we need mutton 250 grams, curd 150 grams, onion 4 to 5, lemon 2 to 3, watermelon and muskmelon seeds 50 grams, 100 grams grated coconut, poppy seeds 100 grams, mint leaves, coriander leaves and green chilies, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, black cumin, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, cloves, turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt. So the first step is to marinate the mutton. I am marinating it with some salt, adding ginger garlic paste and mixing everything together. Then adding a little bit of turmeric and red chili. Now I'm adding a little bit of homemade garam masala powder. We'll let the mutton marinate for half an hour. If you are in a hurry, you can let it rest for 15 minutes. While this is resting, we'll roast our masalas. In a medium hot pan, we'll add our poppy seeds and let it brown a little bit. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't stick. Make sure you're not burning the masalas, if not, it will taste bitter. At this point, we'll add both our melon seeds and saute everything well. Once it's done, we are going to transfer it in a plate to cool down. Same way, saute the coconut. Let our sauteed masalas cool. Till then, we are going to put curd in our marinated mutton. Curd softens the mutton and gives more flavor to it. Leave the mutton as it is for 5 to 10 minutes. Till then, we'll grind our masalas. In a cooker, add chopped onion, a little oil, saute the onion until slightly brown. Our grinded masalas are ready. Put some salt in the onion so that it cooks quickly. Now we'll add our rest of the masalas and saute everything well. Now we'll add red chili powder and turmeric. Now is the time to add the marinated mutton. Add some chopped mint and coriander leaves and a glass of water. Give it a good mix and cover it with the lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can see the mutton is cooked properly. Now we can add our grinded masalas and mix everything together. Add a little bit of garam masala. Add the lime juice. Let it cook until the mutton leaves the oil. Now you can see the oil on top. Add a heaped tablespoon of cream. If you don't have cream, you can use malai as well. Let it simmer for a while and add some water to it. Now let the water reduce a bit. Our mutton masala is ready. Transfer the mutton masala in an empty bowl. Garnish it with chopped mint and some cream. Cream is totally optional, but it looks beautiful. It's ready to be served. I serve mutton masala with lachha paratha. I will be uploading a video on how to make lachha paratha very soon. So if you are interested in learning more recipes like this, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I love reading your comments. Follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat to watch behind the scenes. I will see you in my next video. Bye!